Hi, I'm Dustin with TSM Roofing. I'm the production manager. I'm here with Dave from the United Way in Yavapai County, and we are doing a roofing project for them on one of their research centers. It got hit with hail and other weather from the crazy weather we've been having, so we wanted to step in and help them out since they do so much for the community and everyone in it. So.
Well, I'm Dave from the United Way of Yavapai County, and I'm here to express a great deal of gratitude because what TSM Roofing is doing for us right now is basically helping us put almost $35,000 back into our community through our grant-making program, where we currently support 38 different charities all across Yavapai County, creating a safety net of social services that helps people rise out of poverty and keeps them from falling in. And this year, we supported 38 agencies with $455,000. As soon as we did that, our roof failed. And we were heavily invested in the community, but a little cash poor. We reached out to several different roofing companies, and TSM was the only one who stepped forward and said, we're gonna not only do the job for you, but if you get any insurance money, we want you to reinvest that back. That was the most gracious, amazing gift that we have received in years. So it's not only the cost of the roof, but it's the insurance money that we received to pay for a portion of that we're giving back to our homeless shelters, to our domestic violence shelters, to our jobs programs, to help seniors and children and everybody in between. Because of what TSM Roofing is doing for us now, again, $35,000 back into a community is amazing, and we are so grateful to be able to continue the good work of all of the different agencies that we support because of the support that we have from TSM. So thank you very much. And if you want to get involved, please look us up online. We're easy to find, YavapaiUW.org. That's the United Way of Yavapai County. Google it, you'll find us for #1. And we can help you get involved in however your company wants to get involved. You want to get volunteering, you want to do a food drive, a clothing drive, we can help you set that up and make it successful. And when the community is failing because there's a greater need than there are resources to meet that need, that's how we were born. So instead of going up and asking all the great companies to do something amazingly huge, we ask everybody to commit a couple of dollars a paycheck. It's no big deal, it doesn't hurt you much, and if you use the Arizona State tax credit, you get it all back at the end of the year. So please, YavapaiUW.org, check us out and come and visit. Thank you.
Thank you, Dave.
Well, thank you, Dustin.
Yeah, and then I also want to mention, this can be a little spin-off, but not only do we want to do this for you today, but we look forward to working with you in future endeavors. We want to be a constant for the United Way in Yavapai County. Anything that we can do to bring more companies, more funds, more resources into you, because you, like you said, 38 different charities that reaches so many people. It really sets them up for life. It gives them a little boost, and we've been fortunate enough to build a company and been very blessed in our life, and we want to pay it forward and inspire others to also pay it forward. We all know someone that might be struggling. People think there's the lack of resources, but if you need anything, reach out to the United Way, and they are doing tremendous work. So we just want to thank you.
The only way to solve the problems in our community is by working together. The United Way is the way. Oh, yeah. It was amazing. One roofer came up and said, hey, yeah, we'll give you a 10% off. I said, thank you. And then we talked a little bit longer about the depth of services that we do, and he was amazed. He goes, oh, we'll do this for you at cost. I said, send me an invoice. It was $18,500.
Yeah.
Thank you, but that's not that much of a savings for us.
Yeah,
And then you guys came in and said, oh, no, we're going to do it all. In fact, if you get insurance money, we don't want it. We want to reinvest that. We want to really make this a way to help your community. And we were so just blown away by that. I called up my board member and I apologized. I said, Dr. Mark, I thought you were foolish. I thought you were wasting your time, and you just saved us a truckload of money. And quite honestly, our food banks our food distribution network that's getting food out to the most rural areas of Yavapai County, places like Ash Fork and Wilhoit and Baghdad and Yarnell. They weren't getting good services, so we really wanted to beef the places up, and you made that possible.
Thank you. Yeah. Also, a big shout out to Owens Corning too.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah. So we are a platinum contractor with them. Only a handful in the state, and we reached out to them, and they provided all their materials. They are very philanthropic. They give back to the community, and of course, like I said, we're a platinum contractor, and we want to embody that. We can tie in a big company like Owens Corning that gives back, and to connect them with you, and then now all three of us can connect and just keep building.
A huge shout out to your crew. As I pulled up, they're up there in the rain. And then hail came. There's lightning and thunder, and they're covering up the roof real quick, getting down, getting back up as soon as it clears. It's an amazing group of people, just working hard and working fast and doing great work.
Yeah, absolutely. And that's what the TSM brand means to us, is having hard-working, dedicated people, and that's who we keep around, who we hire, because not only we want to make this a great company, but we want people to, not only do big stuff like this, but in their individual everyday lives. Like you said, a little bit of their paycheck given, just donated to the food bank. Like around Thanksgiving, we plan to do a big drive for the food banks too. Every small thing matters, and it matters a tremendous amount to someone that you don't know. So
it might be somebody you do know. Around here, it could be your neighbor in need. In Yavapai County, we take care of our own. And when the little old lady, widow next door, needed some help 10 years ago, you bring her a food box, you take her to the store, whatever, no problem. Yeah. You helped your neighbor out, she got what she needed, and now it's different. Now that little widow is pushed out of her house because she can't afford her payments, because my mother's Social Security is $950 a month, her mortgage is $1,600.
Yeah.
Eventually, the money runs out, and then what? And that's what's so important here, is that we work together to solve that problem. I'm not brilliant enough to solve that, but by working together, we can find ways to get that done and meet those extended needs. So once again, thank you very much.
Yeah,
I'll keep going for days. So as long as there's film rolling.
Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. It helps us keep bringing you this great roofing content. Thanks for watching. TSM Roofing, we got you covered.